Okay, we are on Unit 4, Day 3, and we're going to just kind of continue with all of those fun interpretations and motions, and this will be the last part of this, and then we're going to get to related rates, which is really cool in 4-4. Anyway, so you kind of look at what you need to know for today, and we're really going to be focusing on this rate in, rate out that we talked about before. Okay, so we're going to start right into an AP question because we've done a lot of this pre-knowledge stuff. This is a calculator allowed. 1 and 2 are always calculator allowed. The water tank at Camp Newton holds 1,200 gallons. So that's kind of like my initial amount. During the time interval from 0 to 18, water is pumped into the tank at a rate of this. So when I am pumping in, this is now my rate N. During the same time interval, so we're still here, water is being removed at this rate, of R of T. So I call this my rate out. So if I want to know if the amount of water is increasing or decreasing, I want to look at the overall rate. So my total rate is the rate in minus the rate out. So my total rate here, my rate in minus my rate out. And I want to know here at T equals 15. So if I get a positive answer, remember these are already rates, so I don't need to do any derivatives to them. If I get a positive answer, we're increasing overall, and if I get a negative answer, we're decreasing overall. So when I plug this in, make sure you get this, don't just copy me, I get a negative answer. So knowing that the tank is not increasing, the one to know, is it increasing? So it's not increasing, aka it's decreasing at T equals 15. Okay. So this one now is telling me the rate at which students post memes. And then this is a rate at which College Board cancels their scores. So M of T, it's kind of like rate in. This is the rate being removed, okay, that they're going to go cancel them, is my rate out. This is funny. I like this question. I didn't make it up. I found it. I thought it was really funny because it's true. Okay. And I want you to go answer this question on your own and see if you get negative and make sure you know what that means. Okay. And I also want you to try this one on your own and see if you get 750 penguins per year. I also want you to try this one on your own and see if you get 486 shoppers per hour. And then let's read this one together. If P of T is the size of a population at time t, which of the following differential equations describes the linear growth in the size of the population? So if I want a linear growth, I know that I have a y equals mx plus b. And when I have a linear growth, what do I know? My dy dx has to be a constant, the m. So which one of these gives me a constant? Only one of them gives me a constant looking through here, and that is A. Most kiddos try to pick that because they see linear, but that is not true. The linear growth means the derivative is a constant. Right, that's day 3. Hopefully you're feeling really super good about motion, and we will talk about it all in class if you need more help.